What's good, guys? Dylan over here back with another YouTube video, and y'all got my friend's Pogo stick with me. As you can see, we're out on the farm, and my friend's farm, yeah, he's behind the camera. Everyone say hello to Andrew. Shout out to Andrew Allen. Yeah, so yeah, today we got some exciting news. Like, we're gonna go dig out my old pit bike, as you probably read on the caption of this video, and yeah, we're gonna go dig it out and stuff, yeah. And then Pogo stick tricks. I'm gonna do a, what's it called? 180.
Go on, Darren, you can do it. Make some YouTube for us.
Oh yeah. So guys, Andrew and I are here, and the bikes, we're taking 3 bikes out. My pit bike, a PV80 and a PV50. And it's all, oh my, the door's open. Okay, yeah, that's my pit bike, that's a PV80, and then the PV50 is in there somewhere. So guys, we're gonna quickly, I'm gonna put this thing on time lapse. You'll check the video, and yeah. Oh shit. So guys, we got the bikes out. As you can see, that was pretty tough. So here's the first bike we got out. It's a little old vintage PV50. Then we got this PV80 that came out. So it's actually in order. We'll pull that first. Then this, and then here's my pit bike. Oh, isn't she beautiful? Haven't seen her in such a long time. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's Andrew in there working his ass off. We're ready. My hands are dirty. Sorry about the sunlight. I don't think you can really see in the time-lapse video how bad it was, but yeah. Oh, still like nearly brand new tires. It's a good bike. I just want to show you guys something. So, Andrew's dad is an awesome bike mechanic. And that was my pit bike frame, this one right here. As you can see, all the junk in here that we had to like clear out. That was, this was my pit bike frame. That was it. And then Andrew's dad took my engine and everything out of this bike's frame and moved it to this bike's frame, and with brand new wheels and everything. So big shout out to Andrew's dad. That was very nice of him. So yeah guys, we're gonna go put this back in. We're gonna go wash these bikes up. Hopefully get them fixed by, I actually don't know when we're gonna fix them. But yeah. See you so then. Guys, I'm on the bicycle. Andrew's over there on the little PV50. And we're just gonna follow him. Okay, watch this guy act like he's riding a motorbike. Hey Andrew, don't forget to make the sounds, eh? Okay, whoa, I need to close the game. Okay, go. What about the sounds? Yeah,
The front tire.
Woo! You're making dust, dude. Dude, I need a kabump I mean, crash. Come on, dude, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Hey, let's go, Andrew. Oh. Guys, this guy's crazy. Go give him a follow on Instagram at default 117. Carly, please close for me. That's Carly. So we got my bike. We got the PV80. We got the PV50. I'm really tired now. Now we're gonna wash these bikes, and see there.
I'm going to also start an account.
I'll put music, dude.
Okay. Yeah, but Darren, I'm going to start an account for my drawing, the graphic design.
On Insta. On Instagram.
No. On YouTube. Going to start a channel.